How to adjust color temperature for color filter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, hold phone. Now here, so first of all click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon, and you will see click on filter icon. So after click on filter icon, so if you want to adjust color temperature for color filter, so you will see color temperature is here. So click on after color temperature. So after click on color temperature, you will see you will adjust color temperature from here. So after adjusting, you will increase or decrease color temperature from here. So after adjusting, you will see click on this icon and take a picture. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can adjust color temperature for color filters on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.